Amazing lava ice cream. You need a spoon. Hello. Ice cream. And chocolate syrup. Got the ice cream. Make sure you smash your ice cream until it's like a curve or like a crater. Some chocolate syrup. Roll up the ice cream. Take another scoop. Wait, no, that's not enough Hershey syrup here. Put enough. You can even. I'm gonna make like a little lava fall, or yeah, lava fall. Perfect, man. Then cover it with more ice cream until you cannot see any sign of it. I accidentally got a little Hershey syrup on the side, so I can't really cover it all. But as long as you guys don't make the same mistake, you can. I'm going to give it a light chocolate drizzle.
Alright, done.
And now taste test. I didn't even get to even open. Oh yes, the lava. Give it a good dip in the lava. I'm really worried if not, so I'm gonna have to